This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Zoom Communications traded lower on Wednesday despite beating Q1 2022 top and bottom line estimates and raising both second quarter and full year revenue and EPS guidance. Now, the sour reaction kind of makes sense when you look back. The stock posted a 495% return in 2020, and that was even though it started to pull back in October and lost quite a bit of its value into December 31st. Now, it originally broke out in February, mounting the 2019 high as the pandemic started and people realized that they need to be working from home. There's quite a lot of volatility at the beginning of the rally, but that eased into this sort of two-legged uptrend. Here's a very nice wave, a consolidation, and then a monster wave, a parabolic wave, which was also a climax. Now, selling pressure since that time has been intense. As you can see, this is a 50% retracement. So the stock has given up 50% of its value since December 19 and has sort of settled right here on this 50-month moving average, which is also a 200-day moving average. And it's having a lot of trouble mounting it. And that's even more obvious to see on a daily chart. But looking at this monthly chart, as you can see, there's quite a lot of resistance right up here at 350. Plus all these attempts to go and mount this moving average. And we have another reversal taking place right now after earnings, and we could certainly drop down and make, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 lower lows here since this big peak. We could certainly get down to this 263 and have a fifth lower low at this support level. I very much doubt any sell-off is going to get beyond this point. But as you can see, this stock isn't going to be springing back to life anytime soon because it's becoming more of a mainstream provider now that people around the world are starting to go back to work in droves. This is going to keep a lid on this stock into the future, but it's reinventing itself. It's looking at other forms of streaming income, and it is making a profit. So the future is bright unless you bought up here, in which case you're probably looking to get out on any rally.